Welcome. In this quick tip video, we will guide you through the installation of Viking Pump's O-Pro cartridge seal into a pump with the U+ bracket. Before installing the new seal, ensure the shaft is free of any debris or wear. Any burrs can damage O-rings upon installation. First, prepare the O-Pro cartridge seal for installation. Lubricate and install the two internal O-rings into the O-Pro cartridge seal gland. Apply gasket sealant to the O-Pro cartridge and place a gasket. Give the gasket a quarter turn and then flip to ensure both sides have a continuous bead of sealant. Install the seal installation sleeve onto the shaft. Lubricate the installation sleeve and shaft. Tape the threads on the shaft to protect the O-rings during installation. Install the seal gland through the bearing housing onto the shaft with the gasket side facing the bracket. Install until it is flush against the face of the bracket. Install the bolts, washers, and nuts and fully tighten to secure the seal gland to the bracket. Remove the tape and seal installation sleeve. You can now complete the rest of the pump assembly. Make sure to watch the complete video for steps on this procedure. Once end clearance is set, using thread sealant, install a grease fitting into the lowest hole in the seal gland. Add grease while slowly turning the pump shaft until grease comes through the open hole in the gland. Install a pressure relief fitting into the gland and add additional grease to ensure all air pockets have been purged and grease has exited the relief fitting. Reinstall the window guards. Ensure that the retaining washer is placed between the guard and bracket faces. Make sure to modify the window guards as necessary to maintain access to the grease fitting and relief fitting. Please refer to our video, Modifying Window Guards, for details on this procedure. Finally, grease the bearing housing until grease begins to appear around the lock washer. Your pump now has an O-Pro cartridge seal and is ready to be put back into service. For more information or to view other service videos, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.